Jamaica was originally inhabited, well, I think as far as we know, just by Native American type people. And then when the Europeans came, most of those Native Americans died out because of disease. And I think the Europeans tried to enslave some of them to work on sugarcane plantations, but they continued to die out. So so Jamaica became an English colony, and I think they mostly raised sugarcane, some bananas there. And so they imported slaves from Africa. And Jamaica existed that way until I believe it was around 1950-60, and then Jamaica became its own country. And so now Jamaica is primarily inhabited by the descendants of those slaves. So it's an African American, but they're also largely mixed with people from India and China. In fact, the nation's slogan, I guess you'd put it, is "out of many, one people." And so they're a mix of about every race you can think of, and that's part of the reason they are so fit and healthy and the fastest people in the world, Usain Bolt. So let's see, and I guess while slavery existed on that island, the slaves developed a language they called patois, which is a mixture of African and I think a little German and a lot of very poor English. So it's just a dialect of English, and that's what a lot of the poor people spoke. So they knew what they called the Queen's English, and they understood it, but they also spoke patois. And when I first arrived, I thought they were speaking Spanish. I couldn't understand it, but I eventually picked it up.